Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to contact Roblox support. So first up, you just need to go to Roblox homepage and then just have to log in with your account. Then scroll the way down to the bottom and then here just need to select and click on help. And then from here, you can just contact Roblox support if you are having an issue on your game. So for example, go to the search box and type right here the issue you want to fix. Example here, I want to type I forgot my password, and then here it will give you some of the suggestions. So if we're going to select any suggestion here, for example, then you will be directly go to the article and then just need to read the instruction and how you can fix the issue. Now, if you want to speak someone from Roblox, you just need to go to the URL box right here and type roblox.com and then /support. So once you tap on enter, then you will now go to contact us. And from here, just need to complete the details, contact info, your username, first name, email address. And also you just need to enter the issue details right here. As you can see, what device are you having the problem on? So click on the drop down menu and select, for example, Android phone, and then type of help support and just need to select the issue. So here I'm going to select this one here, right? And then again, select on forget password. And then here, go to the description. And then just need to describe the issue that you are having on your account. And then once you've done, just need to click on the continue button. So once you click on the continue button, normally it takes up to 48 hours for Roblox to get into contact with you and help your concern. Or you can also send them an email via info@roblox.com if you have questions about your account or the game itself. Or if your account is banned, you can also appeal, or you want to appeal, just email to appeals@roblox.com. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.